Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Singh and our today's topic for video assignment is biology for engineers. So we will start with the introduction of two proteins. Proteins are the fundamental building blocks of all living organisms, play a vital role in the structure, function and regulation of cell. They are large complex molecules composed of amino acids which are linked together in a specific sequence to form a unique three-dimensional structure. Next we will move to chemical structure of proteins. Proteins are large complex biomolecules composed of long chains of amino acid linked together by peptide bonds. The specific sequence and arrangement of this amino acid determines the three-dimensional structure and function of each protein. Proteins can range in size from a few amino acids to thousands, with the average protein contains around 300 amino acids. The chemical diversity of 20 standard amino acids allows for an incredible variety of proteins, structure and functions. The primary structure of protein refers to the linear sequence of amino acids, while the secondary structure describes the local folding patterns, such as alpha helices and beta sheets. Tertiary structure involves the overall three-dimensional shape of protein, often stabilized by disfluid bridges and hydrogen bonds. Finally, some protein assemble into quaternary structure by combining multiple polypeptide chains. Next, we'll move to the protein foldings and conformations. Protein folds into complex three-dimensional structure that are crucial for their function. The process of protein folding involves the polypeptide chain forming specific secondary structure, such as alpha helix and beta sheets, which then assemble into a unique tertiary structure. The conformation of a protein is determined by the interplay of various non-covalent interactions, including hydrogen bonds, ionic interaction, and hydrophobic effects. Including the hydrogen bonds interaction, these interactions allow the polypeptide chains and adopt a stable, low energy state that is essential for the protein's biological activity. Protein folding is necessary for the formation of active enzyme sites, binding pockets, and other functional regions. Misfolded proteins can lead to serious diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and prion diseases, highlighting the importance of understanding protein folding and conformation. Now, next we'll move to protein functions. First is structural support. Protein play a crucial role in providing structural support within the cell and tissue. They form the building blocks of cellular structure, such as cytoskeleton, which gives cell to their shape and allow for movement and transportation of organelles. Enzymatic activity. Many protein act as enzymes, catalyzing chemicals reaction within the body. These specialized proteins speed up biochemical process, facilitating essential metabolic activities and enabling the body to function efficiently. Now we will move to protein functions. Immune response. Proteins are integral to immune system, participating in the recognition and neutralization of foreign pathogens. Antibodies, for instance, are specialized proteins that bind and make invading microorganisms for destruction by the body defense mechanism. Next we will move to enzymatic activity of protein. Protein are essential for catalyzing a wide range of chemical reactions in living organisms. Their unique three-dimensional structure allows them to act as highly specific and effective enzymes which lower the activation energy required for a reaction to occur. Enzymes can accelerate reaction by millions of times compared to the uncatalyzed rate, making them indispensable for the proper functioning of cell and organism. The active sites of an enzyme is a specialized region that binds to the substrate molecules and facilitate the chemical transformation. Enzymes can also be regulated either through allostatic mechanism or post-translational modification to fine-tune their activity in response to cellular condition and needs. Understanding the enzymatic properties of protein is crucial for many applications, for industrial catalyst to drug development and design. Now we will move to protein domains and MOFETs. Modular structure. Protein often have a modular structure composed of distinct regions or domains that can fold and function independently. These domains can be thought as a Lego like building block that proteins use to carry out a variety of activities. Conserved motifs. A mini protein contains short conserved sequence of amino acid known as motifs. These motifs can serve recognition sites for other proteins or provide specific structure or functional roles, such as binding to DNA catalyzing a chemical reaction. Diverse function. The combination and arrangement of domains and mofets within a protein determines its overall function. This modular design allows protein to evolve new capabilities by recombining existing building blocks, leading to remarkable diversity of protein function observed in biology. Next, we will move to protein interaction and signal. Protein-protein interaction, that means protein to protein interaction. Protein often work in complex networks interacting with other proteins to carry out critical biological function. These interactions can be transit or stable, and they allow proteins to form larger complexes, participate in signaling cascades, and coordinate various cellular processes. Second one is signaling pathways. Protein play a central role in cellular signaling, acting as receptors, messengers, and regulatory components. This signaling pathway allows cells to sense and respond to the change in their environment, coordinate their activities, and ultimately maintain homeostasis within the organism. Protein domains and mofets. The specific interaction and the function of proteins are often determined by their structural features such as domain and motifs. This molecular unit can be mediate protein-protein interaction, facilitate the binding of ligands, or target the protein particular subcellular location. Now we will move to protein regulation and degradation. Proteins are the subject to various regulatory mechanisms that control their activity, stability, and localization within the cell. Post-translational modifications such as polypropylene acetylation, ubiquitination can modulate protein functioning by altering their structure, interaction, or subcellular distribution. The proteasome, a large protein complex, play a crucial role in the selective degradation of protein marked for destruction. Ubiquitin, a small protein, tags protein for proteasomal degradation, ensuring that the timely removal of damaged, misfolded, or no longer needed proteins. Protein regulation also involves in chaperone proteins, which assist in proper protein folding and prevent aggregation. The balance between protein synthesis, modification, and degradation is essential for maintaining cellular homeostatic and responding to changing environmental or development cue. Now we will move to protein structure and function. Protein are the fundamental building blocks of life, carrying out a diverse array of essential functions within cell or organism. The final section explores the complex structure and diverse role of protein for catalyzing chemical reaction to regulating cellular process and mediating intermolecular communication. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video.